All right, guys, here we go. Quick look at H bar. Is it a buy, sell, or hold? Okay, right now looking pretty bearish, quite honestly. And the reason being, as you can see, I put this, drew this red candle on here for our members. And what this signifies is that normally you get by the way, this price action is kind of back testing up into this red candle here. The third one today, you normally get a red candle, so that's why I drew that in there, just to kind of remind me to look for that. If we don't start trading sideways here and building a base, we could very easily roll over. Okay, just by the setup of these first 2 to 3 candles. Also, which we talked about many times, inside bar, everything's closing so far inside this red candle here. Okay, now you can wick under it, wick over it, doesn't matter. As long as you're closing in here, price is trapped, and obviously you only have, 2 ways to go, to the downside or upside. So we just sit on our hands, wait for that, price action to happen. Now, if we go to the weekly chart, the reason why we had issues up here and pulled back, let's see how extended. Well, first of all, we're on a time count to the upside, and there's nothing, wrong with this chart or the price action. It's very, obviously very, very bullish to the extreme level. I mean, basically parabolic. So we're due for, some consolidation sideways or even a pullback here because of how extended price is above the 20 and the 200. Matter of fact, in that range, that extension, just simply looking at that as your parameters, it's smarter to be, looking to scale out, take a little of those profits off the table rather than getting in up here. Okay, unless the chart reverses and shows you that event that will cause that. But anyway, if we go over here, as you can see, we came up into a previous, resistance zone. Plus, well, this is the weekly chart. Every candle is 1 week of price action. So several weeks here, we couldn't get back up and over the 20, which is very bearish, but very positive, for the bears. Okay, and this goes back to December of 2021. And like we mentioned before, the further away these resistance zones are, or previous resistance zones are support, the more powerful they are. And that's what we're, looking at now or have been, the last couple of weeks. So as price broke out here, starting at the bottom, had a little, pullback, started getting above the 20 and taking out everything below that 20. Okay, so that's very, very bullish, very positive. So you got to be able to identify and name the setup, the event, the locations on the chart. Ran up, got back up and over the 200. 200 is normally very tough to get back up and over once you're under it. So that was bullish for H bar. And then right through here, again, just this consolidation here, couldn't really, get the ball rolling one way or the other. It finally broke out, see, and you can clearly see these things if you just know, what to look for. Little pause candle here, and then continuation. So in the meantime, waiting to see. Matter of fact, even doing this video here, let me take everything. I'm going to take that red candle off for a second. But as you can see, we're beginning to form a red candle now. Does that mean we're going to roll over and it's going to go, retest this 20? No, but we have to wait for confirmation. We never do anything on a guess. We want to make sure it's close to the close before making any type of moves. But that would be the next, that 24 cents here would be the next, primary support zone. Okay. And then there are some under, but that's for our members. We teach that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the chart.